That's right, Christine. The big impact here on the island would be just the waves and surf. We'll talk more about that for the full forecast. But first of all, speaking of the island, we got lucky tonight with this full moon shot. A beautiful shot. The moonlight shining on the water in the island, looking toward the east-southeast. Right now, 82 degrees. We've got winds out of the east at 11 miles an hour. You wouldn't know there's a tropical storm brewing hundreds of miles to the east of deep South Texas. It'll stay to the east of us, but again, we'll have some of those side effects from Cristobal. Meanwhile, here's Sky 5 in Westlake. The moon continues to rise. Right now, 82 in McAllen, 76 in Harlingen, 80 in Brownsville, 81 degrees in Port Isabel. So very quiet right now on the radar. We had 1 or 2 showers earlier this afternoon. Things have dried up. If you want to walk your dog tomorrow, I do it in the morning. Watch out for some fog at 8 a.m. That's why there's the yellow paw with temperatures in the mid-70s. Not too bad at 10 a.m. with temperatures in the mid-80s. Then it's just warm, even hot for the afternoon. Yes, there is a slight chance in the afternoon for a shower or thunderstorm, and we're up to 90 degrees at 2 o'clock and 4 p.m. Let's talk about your weekend forecast. 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm tomorrow with a high temperature of 91, and then mostly sunny, dry, and hotter on Sunday with highs in the mid-90s. If you're going to be outside for the next couple of days, take it easy and stay hydrated because it will feel hot. Here's the beach forecast. 86 tomorrow, maybe a stray storm at the island. 88 on Sunday, mostly sunny. The issues here are the high rip current risk as well as high surf and coastal flooding. These are the side effects of Cristobal. If you're going to the beach or even outside anywhere, even inland, keep in mind the UV index is extreme, so use sunscreen, wear the hat, sunglasses, find shade, limit the time out, drink water, and the burn time is 10 minutes. So here's a satellite picture. If you look to the east, here's the right-hand side of your screen. Some clouds, that is the very outermost, the outflow, the edge of Cristobal. There it is, tropical storm Cristobal. Here's the center of circulation. Most of the thunderstorms again to the north and the east. Cristobal will continue to move to the north right through the Gulf of Mexico. Maximum winds are 45 miles per hour, moving to the north at 14, now 440 miles to the south of the mouth of the Mississippi River. So the orange is tropical storm warnings from Morgan City, Louisiana, all the way to the Florida Panhandle. And here's the official forecast track from the Hurricane Center. You'll notice it is very thin. That's because the models are now pretty much agreeing on where Cristobal heads. That is toward the north. We hope that it does move fast right through Louisiana and does not slow down. And there's the forecast. It continues to move to the north and then to the northeast, becoming a tropical depression after making landfall in the southeastern U.S. So let's talk about some of those side effects here in the valley. Again, Cristobal is not a direct threat to the valley. However, as it moves to the east of us, expect high surf and rip currents. So if you're going to the island tomorrow or Sunday, please be careful. Watch out for coastal flooding. Watch out for that high surf and rip currents. Please be careful if you swim near a lifeguard. And let's talk more about that. As Cristobal heads to the north, it's going to churn up those big waves thanks to the counterclockwise motion as the winds send those waves back toward the coast. And because of that, we have the coastal flood advisory for the coastal portions of Wilson and Cameron counties until 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And to add to that, you got that air rising out of the storm. It has to go somewhere. It goes out and then sinks. As air sinks, it compresses and warms. So that means it is going to be a hot couple of days, especially for Monday as well as Tuesday. Look at that. 95 Sunday, but 100 on Monday and Tuesday. Hot and sunny, mostly sunny. A front may come in by late Wednesday, so we're hoping the highs are back to the lower 90s. Even better, the humidity should drop if the front passes through on Thursday with a slight chance of a shower. That is your first Warn 5 forecast. Now here's Erica with a look at sports.